Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. Let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, if you're using any other browser which is commonly used, you will be able to kind of recreate the steps because basically it looks pretty similar in all other browsers, like in the Chrome. So I hope you will be able to come up with the idea of how to clear the browsers based on this video. So as I said, let's open the Chrome in my case and then tap on the 3rd icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular website. However, let's be honest, if you're using this device for a really long time, this list is probably also really long. So it is not really the best idea, the most efficient idea to remove everything manually. So simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, assay data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, and I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So just pick the option and then tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.